Alright, let's do this thing. So for this red carpet look, I wanted it to be as natural and glowy as possible, but also very polished. So I made sure to spend extra time on every step. As I'll be posting lots of photos and videos on the red carpet thanks to Metro by T-Mobile and their amazing service, I gotta make sure I look good. Here I am applying foundation and powder and just kind of making sure everything is perfect and blended. And then for the eyeshadow, this looks really simple, but I decided to try out a new technique. So I grabbed this taupe eyeshadow and I kind of created a little bit of a cat eye effect. So as you can see, like I pulled it really up, so almost like my eye looks lifted, just like that. And then I just added a very light color on the lid. And then the same thing with the wing, very precise, kind of up, lashes, very pretty lashes, some wispy little lashes, which also created more of an eye lift. And now I'm pressing them together, which created even more of an eye lift. So I'm adding a little bit of eyeshadow at the bottom and also some white pencil. And for the brows, I'm just adding some pencil and then just going to set them with a brow gel. And I really like that just very wispy kind of hair-like texture on my brows, so this is what I go for. I recently started cream contouring and it has changed my life, guys. I know that I'm late on the train, but I just added a little bit of this glowy contour stick, and then I spent a ridiculous amount of time blending it perfectly. And this one is so much better than using powder. It truly does sculpt and create those cheekbones or whatever you want to accentuate. And then I usually go over with a light-ish medium bronzer to kind of set everything in place so it doesn't slip and slide. And of course, I'm adding a little bit of highlighter. I'm not one of those blinding highlight kind of girls, so I just do just a little bit so it kind of does look like a natural glow. Even for the red carpet, I keep it pretty low-key. And then a little bit of blush on the apples of my cheeks, a little bit on the nose. And this is a trick that I always do. You've probably seen it in every tutorial. I use a light brow pencil to line my lips, and then I use a lip stain. So it almost looks like that natural sort of like bitten, like flashed lip look. I love it. And then add a little bit of a gloss, and that is it. And of course, makeup setting spray. So for the hair, I wanted to do a very sleek, simple look, and I also didn't have that much time to curl it and whatnot. And also my dress is crazy, so I wanted to, you know, keep it minimal. But anyway, this is really simple to do. All I did was blow dry my hair down with a hairbrush. And you guys have seen me use this before. It's pretty self-explanatory. I just kind of dried it very straight. Then I made sure that the part is very precise and very straight, since I am going to be putting it in a very sleek ponytail. So then I'm applying this matte hair gel that doesn't look shiny, but like it does keep every single hair in place. So I'm applying that to the front because I have a lot of little hairs and bangs and whatnot, and then just smoothing it with a brush. So now I'm basically putting like 3 different hair ties to make sure that the ponytail is really, really tight. And doing the old trick, grabbing a little section of hair, wrapping it around, and pinning it to kind of hide anything. And I forgot to mention that I did add a couple of extensions in. Now to the fun part. I really love the look of exposed metallic bobby pins. I've seen that on the runway. I've seen lots of people do it, so I just wanted to put a bunch of silver bobby pins. Gold ones look cool too, and make sure they just like look really perfectly aligned together. And that is it for the hair. Finishing touches with the jewelry and dress, and mama is ready to go. Going through the back end, trying to get to our seats. It is absolute madness on the red carpet. Like literally, I have never seen so many people scream so loud for another human being. It is insane. You got me tripping all over my shoes. We are walking into the show right now. It's about to start. We're still showing some interviews. There's a bunch of people taking photos, looking hella cute. Lighting though. I need some of these neon lights at home, you guys. All over my shoes, yeah, I'm falling for you. Ain't nobody like you. What a day, you guys. I'm home now. I'm a little bit allergic because of the air quality in Los Angeles. As you've probably seen on the news, we have all these crazy fires, so there's like really crazy smoke in the air, so I'm constantly sneezing. I cannot wait to change in my pajamas, take out my hair extensions and all that jazz and makeup. And I just want to say a huge thank you to Metro by T-Mobile to bringing me to People's Choice Awards. I had such a great time. It was such a beautiful, insane experience. I never take these types of things for granted, and I hope that you guys had fun coming with me. And on that note, don't forget to give this video a like, and I will see you in my next video next time. I hope that made sense. I love you. Bye.